Forget Bali, forget Thailand. There's one destination that Indian couples are suddenly obsessed with, and honestly, we understand why. Imagine snow-covered mountains, European-style streets, cozy cafes, peaceful vibes, and luxury hotels, and all this without spending a fortune. But the real question is, why are so many Indian couples and families suddenly choosing Almaty for vacations? Is it actually worth the hype, or is it just another Instagram trend? In this video, I'll show you why Indians are visiting Kazakhstan, what's so special about Almaty, why it's the perfect escape from Indian heat, a complete 5 nights 6 days itinerary, and whether this destination is better for couples or families. Part 1. Why Indians are visiting Kazakhstan. Let's be honest. A few years ago, most Indians didn't even consider Kazakhstan for vacations. But now suddenly everyone is talking about Almaty, and there are 5 big reasons behind it. First, easy international trip. Kazakhstan feels international and luxurious without being overly complicated. For Indians, there is visa on arrival, flights are available from major cities, prices are affordable compared to other European countries, and overall travel is easier than many European countries. Second, European-like vibes on a budget. This is probably the biggest reason. The streets, cafes, mountains, architecture and weather. Everything gives European vibes. But compared to Europe, this trip can cost almost half. Third, perfect for couples. Unlike crowded tourist destinations, Almaty feels peaceful and romantic. You can walk around beautiful streets, enjoy mountain cafes, take cable cars, experience snow together, relax without chaos. And honestly, it feels more intimate. Fourth, family-friendly destination. Families also love Kazakhstan because it's clean, safe, less hectic, great weather, comfortable transport, beautiful nature. Fifth, escape from Indian heat. This is a huge reason. While India is hitting 40 to 45 degrees during summer, Almaty gives cool weather, fresh mountain air, greenery, and sometimes even snow. For many Indians, Kazakhstan literally feels like a climate escape. Part 2. What is so special about Almaty? Now let's talk about what actually makes Almaty special. Because trust me, photos don't do justice to this place. Mountains everywhere. One thing you'll notice instantly, mountains are literally surrounding the city, and not small hills, massive snow-covered mountains. You can be sipping coffee in a cafe while looking at views that honestly feel unreal. Shimluk and Koktop, they are among the biggest highlights. At Shimluk, you take a scenic cable car, see snow-covered peaks, enjoy cafes in the mountains, do snow activities during winter. And then there's Koktop, a beautiful hilltop area with city views, sunset points, rides, restaurants, romantic evening vibes. Cozy cafe culture. Almaty has an amazing cafe culture and couples especially love this part. You will find aesthetic cafes, desert spots, variety of multi-cuisine restaurants with mountain views, cute streets perfect for evening walks. Clean and peaceful atmosphere. One thing many Indians notice immediately, the city feels calm. No excessive crowd, no constant traffic chaos, no loud environment everywhere. It feels relaxing, and honestly, after the stressful life in India, this peace itself becomes the part of the vacation. Now imagine this, back in India, you are sweating in 44-degree heat, and suddenly within a few hours of flying, you are wearing jackets in cool mountain weather. The contrast itself feels magical. This is exactly why Kazakhstan becomes super popular during Indian summer months. Instead of staying indoors because of heat, people are walking in cool weather, exploring mountains, enjoying outdoor cafes, taking scenic drives, actually enjoying the daytime travel. For couples and families, this weather changes the entire travel experience. Part 4. 5 nights 6 days Kazakhstan itinerary. Now let's talk about the perfect 5 nights 6 days itinerary for couples and families. Day 1. Arrival in Almaty. Hotel check-in, relax after flight, evening walk around the city, explore cafes and local markets. Keep day 1 slow and relaxing. Day 2, Shimulak and Meteor. Visit Meteor skating rink, scenic cable car ride, full day at Shimulak, snow activities, sunset with mountain views. This day honestly feels straight out of a movie. Day 3, Koktov and City Tour. Penfield Park, Zenkov Cathedral, local shopping, evening at Koktov. Perfect balance of sightseeing and romantic vibes. Day 4, day trip to lakes or canyons. Options: Big Almaty Lake, Kennedy Lake, Charan Canyon. These places look unreal on camera. Day 5, leisure and cafe day. Relaxed morning, cafe hopping, shopping, couple photo shoots, family time. Not every vacation day should be rushed. Day 6, departure. Breakfast, last minute shopping, airport transfer. And suddenly you will feel 5 days were not enough. Part 5, couple or family destination. So, who should visit Kazakhstan? Honestly, both. For couples, Kazakhstan gives romantic weather, peaceful experiences, luxury on a budget, beautiful cafes, snow-plus mountains, great content opportunities. It feels fresh compared to mainstream destinations. For families love safety, clean environment, comfortable travel, nature, relaxed atmosphere, kid-friendly sightseeing. It's one of those destinations where every age group enjoys. So now, tell me honestly, would you choose Kazakhstan over destinations like Bali or Thailand? Because after watching all this, it's easy to understand why Indian couples and families are suddenly falling in love with Almaty. And maybe Kazakhstan really is Asia's most underrated romantic destination. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment Almaty if you're planning Kazakhstan vacation. See you in the next adventure.